Okay, today we're going to show you the fourth of the four basic stitches, and it's called the triple crochet, or as some people call it, the treble crochet. Same thing, same difference. I don't know what you call it, but I personally call it the triple crochet. So let's go. We've got our chain, and since it's the tallest one of the four stitches, we start further down the row of the chain. The longer the stitch, the further down the row you start your first stitch. So now we start in the 1, 2, 3. We would, for the double crochet, you would go in the 4th, but this is the triple crochet, we go in the 5th. We yarn over once and twice. I will do it slowly in a second. Stick it in, pull through. Now you got 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now you can kind of see why it's called triple, because you got 1, 2, 3 little marks right here. Okay, go to the next one. You yarn over twice, you go into the next stitch, stick in your hook, like so, yarn over and pull through, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go into your next chain stitch, stick it in, yarn over, pull through, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2, pull through the third set of 2. Okay, are you getting the hang of it? Now this stitch is really tall, and it's mostly getting used for basket weave stitches, or yeah, what else? Cables. It's also a good stitch to use this for, but it's a very loose stitch. So when you get it finished, it's a very loose fabric. There we go again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go to the next chain stitch, stick it in, pull through, first 2, second 2, third 2, triple crochet, yarn over once, yarn over twice, next stitch, oops, stick it in, yarn over and pull through, first 2, second 2, third set of 2, yarn over, stick it in, and so we go to the end of this little row. Stick it in. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, stick it in your chain stitch, pull through, 4 stitches on your hook, 3, 2, 1, yarn over, we're almost there. First 2, second 2, and the last 2. We're in our last stitch. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, stick it in, yarn over once, 2, 3. Okay, so we've got our first row of triple crochet. The abbreviation for triple crochet you will find in your patterns. It's called TR. Now, when we turn, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 chain stitches, we turn. These 4 count for 1 triple crochet. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. You skip this one, you go to the next one, and you do the exact same thing that we have just been doing. So what are we doing? We yarn over once, we yarn over twice, we go into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. There we go, 1, 2. I'm sure when you practice this a little bit, you will get the hang of it very soon, because it's not that much different from your double crochet. And by now, I think you have practiced your double crochet already. Most people do the double crochet before you get to the triple crochet. If you haven't done your double crochet yet, make sure you watch my video on the double crochet. Now we're almost at the end of the row again, so I'll go slow, yarn over once, yarn over twice, stick it in, pull through, go to the first 2, second 2, last 2, yarn over once, yarn over twice, stick it in, first 2, second 2. Okay, now we've got right here is the stitch that we have used for the turn. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, that counts for a stitch, but here we have a stitch also. So we go yarn over once, yarn over twice, stick it in, okay, and now we go 1, 2, on the top of this one right here on your turn, pull it up, 1, 2, and 3. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you make sure you keep going for 12 all the way up there, so you keep your nice straight edges. What do we do for the next row? One more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4 chain stitches in your turn. You skip this very first one right here, yarn over once, yarn over twice, you go in this stitch right here, pull through, first 2, second 2, and the last 2. So that's your triple crochet. Enjoy, and let me know if you understand it, and also I'm curious to know if you call it a triple or a treble crochet. Have a nice day.